The Centre has tightened rules governing foreign funding received by NGOs and associations, while also increasing penalties for violations under the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Under the revised norms notified by the Home Ministry, NGOs spending more than the permitted limit on administrative expenses beyond 20% of the contributions received will face a penalty of 1 lakh rupees or 5% of the excess amount spent, whichever is higher. The government has also increased penalties for using foreign contributions in speculative activities or for purposes other than those for which the funds were received. In several cases, the penalty has been fixed at 1 lakh rupees or 30% of the amount involved, whichever is higher. The amended rules require NGOs to clearly specify their objectives and areas of operation while applying for registration. They must also disclose social media accounts, submit detailed activity reports with annual returns, and reveal the original source of funds received through intermediary channels. Religious organizations can continue activities such as maintaining places of worship, religious education, and preservation of faith tradition. However, the government has explicitly stated that activities involving proselytization or religious conversion will not be permitted under several categories eligible for foreign funding. The Home Ministry further stated that organizations with foreign nationals as key functionaries would ordinarily not be granted registration or prior permission except in specific cases approved by the government. The new rules also introduce a minimum utilization requirement of 10 lakh rupees in foreign contributions over the previous 2 financial years for renewal of registration. Existing FCRA registered organizations have been given 1 year to align with the revised framework.